there. Where are we?
What was that all about?
I don't know. Because I'm tired. Cruise took all the energy out of me.
Yeah, we got off the cruise, did the Everglade thing, and we'll get into all that later. But we're going to start doing something we're going to call Chatterbox Weekly.
Yep. It's going to be a weekly vlog on...
Just to update you guys on...
anything.
Upcoming things we might be doing. Just to kind of try something new. But we decided on the title to call Chatterbox Weekly.
Chatterbox Weekly.
Not Chatterbox Tonya, like Jon.
I said Chatterbox Tonya because I think that'd be the best.
No. Chatterbox Weekly. But anyway.
But anyways, we're still in Florida for a couple days. Winding down from our cruise.
We got quite a bit of video.
Yeah, so...
it'll be on multiple videos.
Yep.
Quite a few shout-outs in those videos to different people we've met.
Yep.
So if we've met you and you're watching this,
stay tuned.
Watch. You'll see yourself in the video or hear your name in the videos.
Yep.
And you'll see a lot of wonderful video we took. So stay tuned for that.
And our up and coming next adventures, what we have. And yeah, we got tons of video up and coming.
The Sky Princess is the one we just got off of. That's the one that there'll be multiple videos coming up. I have to work on them and do the editing for that, so it'll take me a little while. We're still in Florida till Monday, so.
Yep. So this is going to be a quick Chatterbox Weekly little vlog.
And for those that are missing Sidekick Charlie, we'll pull him in one of our videos soon too.
I miss my little buddy.
Yeah, I miss all the babies.
Even though he bites my damn nose all the time.
I miss all the buddies, but yeah, and the kids.
Nah, I miss Charlie.
Oh, they're all babies.
I still miss Charlie.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we had exciting, awesome, non-stop adventure on the Sky Princess. I think this is the first cruise that we actually stayed up mostly every night to midnight.
Yeah, we did stay up quite late.
Yeah.
A couple times we kind of crashed. And
I think there was one night.
We did take quite a few naps.
Here and there.
Short ones here and there. But
little power naps. But, I think we had a little bit more energy because we didn't have to worry about the kids. Are they going to go here, go there, go there, go there? Love you, kids. Man, cruising's easier. Just look around.
Yeah, we keep calling them kids, but they are in their 20s.
Yeah.
In case you guys are thinking we left our kids at
home.
home.
Youngest one's 20, so...
But yeah, we are here now at
Embassy Suites.
Embassy Suites.
Fort Lauderdale.
Awesome hotel. We'll probably be getting some videos of that. We have Big Sexy. Those of you that have met Josh, John's middle son, on one of our past cruises.
Yep.
Big Sexy's coming here to meet us. He's driving the 3-hour trip.
Yep. Because he lives outside Sarasota, and we're on the east side of Florida, so he's coming over, visit with us for a couple days, and
we're looking forward. We're gonna take him to dinner, and he's gonna be our taxi around town.
According to him, Big Sexy should be arriving in 9 minutes.
Yep. So, this is just a little short video to let you know we haven't dropped off the face of the earth.
No.
And watch for our videos to start posting probably within the next week to 2 weeks. Are you done yet? Yes. This was a short video.
No, are you done yet with the other videos?
No, I haven't even. I have to upload a lot of them.
She's gonna be busy.
I'm gonna be busy because I work on top of it. So this
time
will be
to get done. We're gonna be going to Disney World. So.
And just to give you guys a shout out too, some of the videos might slow down a bit. Well, what I'm doing will probably take us through the next few weeks. What I have to upload, but John will be having full knee replacement surgery on March 22nd.
Yep, up and coming real quick.
So.
We're going to probably do a little
keep
vlog.
Your fingers crossed, say a little prayer for John. Keep him in your,
Well, we're going to do a little vlog, the daily progress, going to the hospital. And we'll release it after a couple of weeks. We'll put a little day 1, day 2, me in pain.
He's been waiting.
Me in pain.
No, nobody wants to see all that. But yeah, he's been waiting years to have this done. So, and as you've seen in our videos, I mean, he's kind of wobbling like a little duck in a lot of our videos because he's in so much pain. But
duck.
Yeah. So,
I don't know about duck, but
speaking of ducks, I hope many of you found our ducks that we put around the ship.
That's why you said duck. Huh?
Yeah. So remember to subscribe and keep a lookout for those videos because you might be in some of those videos. We did walk the ship quite a bit and do some videoing.
She's really good at taking video without knowing. She's good at that.
Might be in a lot of them. We've had past people message us and let us know that they saw themselves. So that's kind of neat. But
Yeah.
on that note, we are going to relax for the rest of the day and
maybe tomorrow and get ready to go back to Michigan.
Fly back early Monday. So,
Yep.
All right. So stay on the lookout. Videos will be starting to come within the week.
And we'll see you on the flip side.
Over and out. Take care.
Bye. So guess who's in town? Big Sexy himself. So what you been up to, Big Sexy?
Working
Working where?
Monster Jam.
Doing what?
Working on monster trucks.
Yeah?
Been all over
So what was your last assignment and where was it?
El Paso.
How'd you like El Paso?
It was pretty bad.
Yeah?
Yeah. It
So
was
who's your truck you got to take care of?
Monster Mutt and Zombie.
Zombie?
Yeah.
So like The Walking Dead?
Yeah.
Is that how it drives?
Yeah.
Just like that?
Yeah.
Like, kind of looks like you when you're drunk.
Yeah. It's pretty
A lot of people out there that like Monster Truck, though. So
Yeah.
he's got some interesting stories.
Yeah.
Been to Anaheim for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Houston. Glendale.
That's why he didn't go on the cruise with us. He's been working.
Yeah.
He's a working boy.
It's going to be an interesting year.
Yeah.
Internationals coming up. Getting those trucks
Is Big
prepped.
Sexy going to internationals?
Possibly.
You're going to bring Big Sexy international now?
Big Sexy's going to go international.
Whoa. Watch out.
Yeah.
Where are you going, maybe?
London,
Whoa.
possibly.
Big Ben and Big Sexy? I don't know if the whole country can
I
hold
know.
it.
That would be crazy.
You're crazy.
Yeah.
What's the next cruise Big Sexy's going to be on with us?
Big Sexy is going to be on the Magic in
In-
February of 23.
It's a ways
So
away.
watch
but-
out. Big Sexy's coming.